Our Artisan solution provides users the opportunity to schedule appointments with artisans. Gives you the opportunity to list trusted artisans to your estate. To list an artisan, if you have the right privilege, you can click on the List Artisan button. It provides you with a simple form that allows you to specify basic details of the artisans. Details such as the name, email, if available, phone number, and trades. What trades gives you it's the list of all kinds of trades an artisan can be involved with. For example, a plumber. Maybe a plumber can also be a carpenter. And then you can specify the amount either per tax or per hour. And then you can specify the details about this artisans, and you can also update the availability of these artisans. And once provided, the artisan will be listed and available for the estate.